Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 18th of June, 2023. Let's talk about Bitcoin Cash today because we want to know, since the market in Bitcoin Cash has came down to $100, and you guys can clearly tell off of my price chart that the market has grabbed support at that level, could we possibly be in position to make some big bucks in the market move in Bitcoin Cash, seeing this price go higher? Let's go ahead and get this video started because I didn't do a price prediction on my last video for Bitcoin Cash, which was on May the 12th. I wanted us to see whether or not the buyers were going to come into the market around here. And as you guys can tell, they maintained their presence for a couple of trading days, maybe a week or two. But then soon after, the price completely fell down on June the 10th. And now we're currently seeing them trying to enter the market again in Bitcoin Cash. You guys can tell that this is where buyers came into the market in Bitcoin Cash right here on this day. You guys can see as the volume is immensely high, definitely it stands out from the other volume on the other particular trading days. You guys can really tell that something happened, right? And the market in Bitcoin Cash came and closed off the low of the bar right here. And since this day, June the 10th, take a look at the price action. Is the market still weak? Is the price still going lower? No, it's been going higher every day since. This is how you can tell when the market has tried to change the prior price prediction movement or price move previously. So let's look at Bitcoin Cash here on the 2-day chart real quick, and we're trying to really pay attention to see if there's still some legs here into the market of Bitcoin Cash. Can the price still go up? Currently, yeah, we can see it on the 2-day time frame, but it's not immensely there. Like, you really can't tell whether or not the price in Bitcoin Cash is that bullish. Here's Bitcoin Cash on the 3-day chart. So looking here, there is strength coming into the market in Bitcoin Cash, but look at where the price bar closed. The market closed off of the highs, so that tells it that there's still some selling mixed in the market in Bitcoin Cash. Take a look at Bitcoin Cash on the 5-day. So here on the 5-day time frame, it looks decent, but it's not to the point to where I can say, yeah, there's a big chance that Bitcoin Cash can go higher. I mean, think about it. We saw the market in Bitcoin Cash really hover and hold support right around this particular area here. Okay, so we really need to see Bitcoin Cash come through and break this area to the upside. This is where our eyes really need to be focused into the market in Bitcoin Cash right here. Okay. Now the market on the 16th of June, it tried to break above this particular level. It tried at $109, but it wasn't successful thus far. Here's Bitcoin Cash on the weekly. So here it is, 9 hours and 54 minutes before this weekly price bar ends. And we can say if the market in Bitcoin Cash closes up here at the high end of the bar, if anything, I can tell you that the market is going to remain stable and that the market is going to continue to trade within these trading ranges. So I'm going to go ahead and take this lower area trading range and bring it down here to the low from June the 10th. Okay. That is where the market buyers came into the market, just like they did going back in November of 2022. Okay, so this is the ultimate area of support into the market in Bitcoin Cash, right down here, around $90. So let's go ahead and look at this on the 2 weeks. Right here, you guys can tell on the 2-weekly time frame, we have 9 hours and 53 minutes again, but this is what I term a probable precursor of strength, meaning in the next 2 weeks, we want to see Bitcoin's Cash price close higher than this current 2-weekly price bar. Same thing on the 3 weeks. Okay. So all in all, I'm not bearish into the market in Bitcoin Cash. In fact, I'm just merely seeing this price continue to trade within these lines. And if you think about it, we've been seeing Bitcoin Cash trade in between these two lines ever since June of 2022. So it's been a full year that Bitcoin Cash hasn't done anything but merely trade within my lines right there. That's it. So this is a trending market. It's just a market that's not trending higher or trending down. It is merely trending from left to right. Okay. So let me look at this on the hourly chart because I want to see if there's still some gas in the tank for us to see Bitcoin Cash go up. Here is Bitcoin Cash on the 9-hour chart, and I like it. Once you break this down to hourly time frames, you guys get to begin to see precisely where buyers come into the market, right? So right here on this particular 9-hour bar, there's weakness. You would expect price in Bitcoin Cash to continue to go down, but instead it's been going up. Here's another indication that buyers are really trying to move the market up. There's another one right here. Okay. Look at Bitcoin Cash here on the 13-hour chart. You guys can see it again. Weakness. You would expect price to go down following this 13-hour price bar, but it didn't do it. So again, the market is urging itself. It's really trying to continue to push the market up higher. So from that perspective, I think we need to follow the market. Okay. So let me go ahead and take this away. What we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and place some strength into the market in Bitcoin Cash, and we'll go ahead and let you all get your time back. So now, our ultimate area of support is around $91. That's where it is. But we do have another prior area of support here in Bitcoin Cash. So even if we do see the market in Bitcoin Cash come down to 100, we still have another area of support that we can eye and say that Bitcoin Cash is still a buy or have a higher probability to go up. Okay. Now let's get to the targets. Literally $110 could be seen as resistance. Now I don't think it's going to hold it, because on multiple time frames we've seen how price in Bitcoin Cash is really amped to try to go higher. But I want to bring that to your attention. If price of Bitcoin Cash cannot break 110, understand you may want to take some of this off the table. My first target is going to be, let me see, I think it's going to be like at 115. Let me see this on a 2-day chart, make it a little bit cleaner. Yeah, so our first target is going to be at 115. That's 7.25%, 7.28%, $115. Second target is going to be up here around 120 for Bitcoin Cash. That's going to be a pretty strong area of resistance as well, as I look at this on the 2-day chart. So we have 115 and 120. I think I might just hold it there, because I want us to really determine if the buyers are going to show up at 120. If they do, fantastic. We just simply increase our targets into the market in Bitcoin Cash. If they don't, then again, we'll take the bag there. And we're going to bring up our support area around $96. That's 10.75% there. So I'm done. It's your turn. Go ahead and hit me up and let me know what you guys think about Bitcoin Cash. Is it time for us to make some big bucks in this cryptocurrency, or is it not? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.